All right, so we're going to be going through activity 10.01 using the oscilloscope. Now, this activity is rather simple and quick and straightforward to go through. Now, I know that not everyone will have access to an oscilloscope. Not everyone will have been able to distribute those, and the oscilloscope can be kind of pricey. But if you have the opportunity to come back, please do come back to this activity and work on it. If you have an oscilloscope, please work along with me today. If you don't, that's okay. We'll just go through the activity, show you what's what, and then whenever you're able to get access to activity, you can come back to this lecture and listen in. So for this activity, we need an oscilloscope. You'll need an Arduino with a programming cable. Also with a computer with an Arduino IDE in. We'll need a breadboard. You'll need some wires. And you'll also need an operational amplifier and a couple of resistors. So the first thing that you're going to do, and I'm just going to go through the procedure here, and then I'm going to actually work the procedure on the camera in front of you, is you're going to need to power up your oscilloscope. You'll need to attach your probes. You'll need to attach your probe to your Arduino. And then on the Arduino, you're going to be programming this small code here. All this code does is it says that pin 4 on your Arduino, put a PWM signal, or in short, a square wave, a particular kind of square wave, on there. And it's going to be a perfect half-duty square wave. And then you're going to measure the output of the square wave using the oscilloscope. You're going to change the the size of that square wave by changing one of the variables, the PWM rate, and then you're going to see how that changes. And then we're going to up that PWM out that square wave to this small circuit down here. Now, I'm going to actually stop here on the and talk about this a bit more. So what you have here is a non-inverting amplifier. Now, I have some resistance values on this here. In actuality, it doesn't. The value of your resistors don't matter too much as long as whatever your input voltage is. In this case, it will be a 5-volt input. Doesn't, whenever multiplied by these gains, doesn't exceed what your voltage inputs are to your operational amplifier. If you exceed that voltage, you will just max out your signal and you won't get any kind of result coming out of it. It's what's known as saturation. I can actually show you that in this case, and then we're going to measure how that output changes, just so you can see the amplitude change.